repaired?
All good.
Yeah, oil pressure gauge.
Okay, oil pressure gauge. Okay. Alrighty.
Okay. Bucket plug. Shorts out.
Yeah. Bucket fan.
Right there. It's a new one. Running right on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. Moving around. Alright.
What else?
Brackets on the suspension.
Yeah, those are the ones that we also we got him a new brake chamber.
New brake chamber. Same thing on this side.
Same thing, yeah.
Okay.
And let's see.
Driver wiper blade.
Upside down, yeah, we just twist it up. It's the blade on top.
Oh, for the roof or for the ceiling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, what else?
This right here,
Pull the reset.
knob missing on back engine. I could never see anything. Right here. That's not missing, it's right there. We cut it off.
Oh, it's in the control panel.
Huh?
I think it's here in the cab.
The what?
I think it's here in the cab.
Well, it's right there.
Pull to reset, knob missing on back engine control panel in the front cab.
It's right there.
Okay. Yeah. Alrighty. There it is. Rotation main gearbox. Oh yeah. Rotation main gearbox for the motor and the boom leaks. But
Yeah.
I think what we said was the heat.
It was just the heat for and the grease was melted. So
Okay.
the grease melts and it just you see a little string on it, but it's not leaking. The motor out. We tested the motor out.
Yeah, I remember that. And you opened up the gearbox and you didn't see any.
No, it's fine in there. It's just grease falling from the top.
Okay.
Melted grease falls from the top, and that's where you see them little strings of grease. See that?
Yeah.
Little drops. But it's not leaking. We pulled that motor out, and it's not leaking. The motor itself is not leaking.
Okay. Aft engine exhaust pipe has hole in it.
Yeah, that's the exhaust pipe that we fixed right there.
Oh yeah. Okay. And we have the manual.
Yep.
But the fluid level gauge in the cab that shows the fluid level for the tanks, like the
Yes,
anti-icing,
we
anti-icing, and all.
fixed that.
Okay.
We fixed that and we tested that. So you have one here and one here on this side.
Okay. Can we show that real quick?
Okay. De-icing, premix. It's gonna probably show you a little bit under half. See?
Okay.
And if you look over here,
A little under half. under half.
And this
Okay.
one shows empty because it is about to go empty. You have only about 100 gallons in there, so that's as far as it goes.
Okay.
If we went in there and pulled it up, and it does show.
The float response.
Yeah, it shows fluid.
Okay. Alrighty.
Everything else, and we got them a new muffler for the bottom.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I remember you guys installing that.
Yeah, we got them a new muffler in there.
Okay.
And that's it.
Very good. She's ready to ship.
Everything is ready.